when you started it.
Today, guys, welcome back to another video. ScreenVR_15 here. I'm here with a friend. He's not a YouTuber, but he's my friend. He didn't actually believe I was a YouTuber, but he told me to prove it while we're in the whole map, so I did. And so I proved it, and then he was like, "Oh my god!" Like he didn't think I was a real YouTuber.
Can we just go to the mountain?
Yeah, sure. Bro, what was that laugh? It's a Grinch laugh.
Juke! Oh wait, let's do a 1v1 forest. I go first.
Alright, you're about to get destroyed.
Okay, let me put on my fit first. Oh wait, I already have it on my fit. Come on. Okay.
Runners run.
Ready?
Runners run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I wish I could get better at Lucioing.
Yeah, you better run. I'm right behind you.
Watch me jiggle. No. Okay, how much seconds was that? Do you have?
No, it was probably about like 9, 10 seconds. Oh dang! No, I messed up.
I think I won that.
Yeah, you probably did.
Anyways.
Runners run. Runners run.
I don't want to do anymore.
Bruh. Runners run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How the frick? I messed up.
Bro, why'd you tag me?
Because I'm a goofy guru.
Bro, get over there.
One is one. Damn.
Bro, I think that might have been the same time.
I tagged you like right away.
I know, like I did.
Okay.
Runners run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Crap.
Bro, but I I'm not. But I just got on like 10 minutes ago. No. Yes, I'm right behind you. No. You might be better than me though. No.
My head to the side.
Oh no. No. How could you? How could you? Charge your headset, man.
Oh, you're so weird.
What is it?
No, I fell. Hello, lava monkey. Ew. Stop.
Lava monkey, lava monkey, lava monkey. No.
bro. You hit the roof. No, 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 no. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, there's tag lag.
There's tag lag.
Oh yeah, there's tag lag.
Yeah, there's tag lag. I jumped on him. I mean, I came right there. I came right there and I went green VR 15.
Huh?
I remember you.
Huh?
Wait, I remember
What?
you. I think I've seen your name before. You're the one who does that weird
Wait, stay right there, stay right there. Stay right there. I can hit you. Hold on, hold on. I can. I hit him. Oh, she's ready. I hit him.
You hit me.
I hit him. I can hit him while he's wall climbing. No, I hit him.
Let's go.
Oh, damn.
You didn't even know.
Bro, what the hell?
Oh no, I shouldn't have said that. What? No.
Bro, you suck so bad. Nobody likes you.
Just because I tagged you, man. Don't take it so deep.
But Pikachu, bro.
Guys, come on, we gotta focus on red.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, that.
Bro.
Oh, yes, tag him.
Ow.
What do you mean, ow?
I tried to like,
Wait, who's it?
elevator.
That guy.
Hey,
Where did you just low? Wait, what?
I float tagged you.
Oh, yeah, you're green. Yeah, I know you. I saw you yesterday. I swear to God, bro.
Thanks.
I saw you yesterday. You were that one who wanted to like train some people, right? Not like teach some people.
Where'd you go? Huh? Wait, what?
Oh gosh.
Oh, what?
Editor
Huh?
dude.
Oh, eyes.
Bro, how? How? He's just straight up juking us. He's straight up juking us.
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
my gosh.
Oh yeah, get out of there. McDonald's.
Good
Sorry.
Huh?
Bro, why were you joking me like that? That wasn't fair. That wasn't nice.
Well, you better have it.
Who has McDonald's Wi-Fi? Cause I don't.
Oh god damn.
Like you guys. You guys stinky poopy Wi-Fi.
I'm right behind you guys. You just know that.
Oh, I see him. No way. I was so close to tagging you.
Huh? Okay.
Hey, buddy.
Try to hit me.
Bro,
Hi.
copy your fit, buddy. Copy your fit. Copy your fit. Why are you doing that? Why did you run like that? Okay. Bye bye. Oh no, now I'm messing up. No,
I don't know what hit my hand.
you are gonna suffer.
It hurt.
Hey,
This
I messed up so bad. Oh no, what the fuck? Alright. I'm stuck in the mountain. Oh, you're so fast.
You're using Tiago fast.
No, I've seen, you were right. Just be honest, you
This is good like that.
someone yesterday. You said it.
What?
You said you wanted to teach some people yesterday.
Teach you what?
Oh, I like this. I like this.
Yeah, you said like join the code of Green VR 15.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. I was the one who joined your code.
I was going barely fast.
laughing at me. Yeah, I just fell.
I hate you too. I went up the wrong way. He fell. How did you not tag him? I am so close to tagging you.
Yeah, I better run. You better well. Yeah, I know someone's behind me.
What? Huh? He tagged me fight. What?
That's crazy. GG's.
Bro, he's kind of laggy. I'm gonna lie.
Wait,
Yeah, get me.
let me check my internet speed.
Wait, I'll be your friend. I got the stick.
I mean, I have
I don't.
a 20 ping. That's kind of high.
Yeah, I'm just joking. Hey, I got the stick. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Stick. I have my stick. I'm back. Oh shoot! Tom Holland.
Ugh. I'm out of breath so bad.
Hey. Wait, stay. I'm so bad at it. Like, hey, we're gonna get banned.
The key to that in this game is
Steady go.
I can't do target right now. I'm out of breath. No, wait, how did I miss that? I could have foot tagged you. My hand went over your head.
Run away, boys! Run away! Hold back! Let's go, man. There's no one.
Oh.
That was a good time.
I just dropped my controller for the
There we go.
You're cheating. You're actually cheating, guys.
I'm not cheating.
Guys, the screen monkey's cheating.
I'm not cheating.
Why not? I just touched you.
The shop.
Bro, I literally have it on video. I did not cheat.
Well, I don't give a shit.
Look at,
I have more.
because I'm gay. I say it on here. I'm gay.
Good. You guys.
Because nobody doesn't like you. Well, that doesn't change the fact that I'm gay.
You should not be gay. Well, did you guys ever hear about
Holy.
Bro, how? How is bro like burning on trees and stuff? Like, is that even possible?
Oh shit. As you can see right here.
What's that white? Oh, my stuff glitched out. Like everything froze. I ain't want to do this crap. It's so annoying. What? How? I missed that.
Do you know what you've had today?
Bro, what?
This originally was a ring. Barrel. The rifle.
I'm joining this server. It's getting so annoying.
Saber bayonet to allow for close range combat. But this isn't just any bayonet. This was made by a company called Cook and Brother in New Orleans right before the Civil War. And you know what's really, really cool about this is we know that a lot of these early weapons were used at the Battle of Georgia Landing, which was up about 20 minutes from here. What's the name of the one, bro? Probably $3,000-$4,000. $1,000, yeah. Whoa, you gotta be kidding me. That's incredible. No, my friend is gay. The thing, this is an old machete. I just thought I was just gonna use and put in my garage, probably throw around. And to find out, this is an old piece of history. That's Civil War. It blows my mind. Your friend's loss was your gain.
What? But you didn't even tell me, but you're so bad. Bro, can't even.
We got some lines put around this area that we were setting when we found the slide. But it's time now to run the line and see how successful our plan was. Hopefully, we've got the rest of them on our line.
Bro.
Can you hear me?
Come on, please don't. That's stuff for us, of course. I knew it. I hate this crap, dude. It is so annoying. I hate it so much.
Shut up. Shut up.
Oh, it's that moderator. Hello. I'm.
That's a fine alligator there, son.
I have. Oh, look at it. What the heck? Oh, you're a hacker.
Can produce good results. Good job. We have friends in high places.
He's quitting. He quit.
Guys, why you? Oh my. This is why you don't play.
Swim.
GG, you're good, bro.